1.
Yeah. Lead him to the bottom. Lead him to the bottom. Okay, pump your DPS on him.
This is good.
So possible you had the fear ward. Just go. And tremor to them down.
Yes, examinato. Examinato, that's what we're gonna do.
Stack with star.
Okay, everyone stack to star, come to star. Except the Merced and come to star. Is there a reason for that?
Jarex.
Okay, good. Okay, now you can go anywhere you want. Now it's good.
You can DPS on. Bashful's got my misdirect.
Okay, salvation on Bashif. Weapon tanks, get ready.
Okay, so everyone we want to be on. Get away from Capernaum. Oh wait, fuck.
No, it is phase 2.
Why did I think they were gonna respawn?
Yeah, just don't worry about that.
Silly me. Where did you go? Yeah, to rotate this.
Alright, after killing the weapons, everyone come to star. After killing the weapons, everyone come to star. Except Bashif and Merced.
Where the fuck is that thingy?
There's Infinity Blade.
Okay.
Okay, so gun down Thaladred first.
For your word. Thank you.
Stack with star.
Let's use our hero this
Okay,
phase.
don't move. Okay, nice.
Okay, perfect. Gun it. Arania. Thaladred's dead.
Okay, range, kill Capernaum. Yes. Good. Then, in the phase 4, everyone come to star first. Come to star. Everyone come to star.
Oh my god.
Yeti, please better as Jarex.
You know what? Jesus Christ.
Release the mind control.
Oh, what a
But I think
bad time to get feared. I can't release mind control when everyone's feared.
I'm mind control too.
Okay, on egg. Kill the egg. There you go.
DPS on the boss. Break the shield. Move away from the fire patch. Kill the egg, kill the egg, kill the egg first, kill the egg first.
Jiraxis, since Merced can't really be on the boss, try and keep Judgment of Wisdom up rather than Crusader.
They all use the heroism. They all use up the heroism.
CHAMYP still has his, we're gonna use it on group 2.
Okay. Move away, move away.
Get Judgment of Wisdom up.
Okay, spread out, but do not get close to the boss. Do not be close to the boss. The gravity ends soon, so everyone get down. Don't take the 4 damage.
Oh my god, I'm so bad.
Merced, be ready. Possible health is really dangerous. If he's down, you will be tanked.
Don't
Kill the
bother.
egg.
Yeah, don't
Don't bother
bother.
that. Okay, kill the boss, kill the boss.
Kill the boss.
Merced, it's all on you.
Fuck the egg. Doesn't matter how many phoenixes there are at this point.
Merced, also prepare to tank the second phoenix.
That is the worst KT kill I've ever done.
This is absolutely was fucking terrible.
You understand me, Farsighted. That was... Well, I think Xanamato had a really good parse on that one. He probably smoked it. I did really bad.
Whew.
That was still
Nice
somehow
try.
in 90. What the hell? Yeah, Xanamato 99 did that.
Nice.
That he
Wait,
style.
That was a sick parse, Xanamato. That was a 99-100. What the fuck?
He's good.
That was sick. Yeah, you hit 100 eye level parse and 99 regular parse. That's wild. Okay, Max, I'm just grabbing some maths. If I could get you to a +6 stats to chest, be appreciated.
All right. Anyone need some? I think we beat everything. So
Yes.
if you are safe, please leave so we can start parking.
Yeah, it feels good to not be in Dungeon Blues anymore, Fluffy. Although I still have this thing. Because it's ridiculously good.
So we have 3. So how many healers do we have? We have 4 or 3.
3.5.
3.5.
Rex, just get Rex Bucket, just switch.
Yeah, I think this is good. If we have 3.5.